Great. Now we're gonna dock the boat there, and let me give you one good assignment. Alright? If you have a free time at home, go on Google and find out. Very simple assignment. Look, ask me. Let's go and find out what makes the seawater to look blue. It's a good assignment, right? Let's go and find out. What makes the seawater to look blue?
Tell me how it look blue.
Yeah?
Maybe the sky.
The sky. Alright, for me, I studied science for more than 2 years. Yeah? It was very headache, but I complete my college. Now, they never wrote anywhere that sky is blue. You believe that? No? You don't believe it. Okay. What is the color of the sky at night?
Black.
Very good. When it's raining?
Dark blue.
Gray. Early in the morning?
It's like
White.
Orange.
Yeah.
Okay. Sunset in the evening?
Alright.
Reddish.
reddish.
How many colors are those? What is the color of the sky now?
We don't. No colors, right?
Huh?
No colors.
Alright, the color.
Uncolor.
Huh?
Uncolor.
Alright. The color of the sky is the color of the water.
Okay.
The color of the sky is the color of the water. So what is make it blue?
Yes, magic blue.
What makes the water to look blue? No.
The land.
No. Alright, let's not find out. It's assignment, yeah? Good assignment.
Really?
Yeah?
Hello, Samaka.
Great. So thank you very much. We are going to see the pink.